I always get mixed up with which door to get in, but obviously this is the door. The right door is the one you're supposed to get in all the time. All the body mounts had to be turned around and switched. So getting it to where it looked proper and like it was a regular truck per se, like it looks pretty good. It looks like it's supposed to go forward, and so it took some time and to get everything leveled out and make sure that it was mounted properly so it didn't bounce around. It's easy to drive. It's got, like I said, good brakes and all that goes with it, but it's still, at the end of the day, it's still a 1952 Ford truck, right? I've had it up to 85. I really don't want to go any faster. It goes pretty good at that speed. It doesn't handle great. I definitely don't want to put it on a racetrack. It's really a 52 Ford truck. People just like this gentleman, and they want to stop you, they want to talk to you, they want to, look it over and ask questions. So you definitely don't want to be in a hurry. The town I'm from, everybody talks about it, but it still gets reaction. There's new people that see it every time we take it out, and it's definitely a crowd getter. I haven't been pulled over yet. Kind of been waiting. I actually passed a cop once. He waved and off he went like most people. Nowhere in the rules that says which way the body's supposed to go.
Yeah, shouldn't matter.